Hi everybody, Lisa Helton here, out in the banana boat, as I call my kayak. We are out on the river today, kind of decompressing, getting away from life, reality, how that is, right? And nature is just beautiful. I'm going to share some video here with you so you can see. Look how beautiful that is out there. We're just taking a little breather and hopefully getting some inspiration for some new storylines and some of our upcoming books. Check in with you guys later. Hope you enjoy that little bit of Florida scenery.